Hi boys and girls, welcome to my carpet classroom. We are going to be writing a little bit about outer space and some of the things that we learned from the video. So I'm going to help you write some sentences with my marker, and I would love if you would go get a piece of paper and a pen so that you can follow along and write some of your own sentences. Alright, the first thing we're going to write together is I like space. So I and like are two of our sight words. So I'm going to give you a minute to write those words by yourself. If you need a little help, you can follow along with me. So of course, to start a sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. So we're going to start with a capital I, and then we're going to write the word like. So it starts with the ul, which is an L, I, k, which could be a C or a K, and in this case, it's a K. And then we know that the word like ends with an E. Now, the word space is a little bit tricky, but we can sound out the first part together. So what do you think space starts with? S. It's an S. The next word is p. Sorry, not the next word. The next sound is p. Sp. If you wrote down a P, you're correct. The next sound is A. And the next sound is S. Now, usually it's this S that makes that S sound, but a C and an E together can sometimes also make the S sound. So right now our sentence says, I like space, but it's not complete because we have to finish our sentence with a period. Perfect. Our next sentence is going to give you a little more room to write some of your own words. So I'm going to give you a sentence frame that you can use to form your own sentence. Space is blank. So we know how to write space now. Capital S, P, A, C. And then we also know how to spell the word is, another one of our favorite sight words. And then I'm going to leave a big blank space down here for you to write in your own word or words. And then of course we finish our sentence with a period. So you could write space is dark. Space is big. Space is full of stars. So you can challenge yourself and write as many words to describe space as you would like. I'm going to give you an example. Space is, I liked the full of stars, so I'm going to write O of, another one of our sight words, stars. Space is full of stars, and I encourage you to write your own sentence about what space is. So I've written our two sentences that we've already gone through. At the top of my board here, it says, I like space. Space is full of stars. Now our next sentence and our final sentence together, but I encourage you to write more at home, write as much as you'd like, tell me all of the reasons you like space and what you think it's like and what you want to know more about. But for our last sentence, we're going to explain ourselves. We are going to explain ourselves using the because word. So up here we already wrote I like space, and now I want to know why. So we're going to write I like because. And that's a big word. So if you need more time to write that, you can pause the video or you can follow along with me. So now that we're writing because, I'm going to give you 2 lines of room to write because we really want to make sure that we're explaining our ideas. And of course, at the end of our sentence, we are going to write a period. So I'm going to give you a few moments to fill in the sentence frame by yourself. You can try to write your own words. If you need extra time, again, make sure you pause the video. You can have as much time as you would like. But for now, I'm just going to give you a few moments to think about what you would like to write. I like it because. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write my sentence. You can either follow along or again, you can continue writing your own. But I'm going to write, I like it because I want to be an astronaut. Kind of a funny word there at the end. I like it because I want to be an astronaut, and I'm even going to change my period here at the end to an exclamation point because I'm so excited about this sentence. All right, boys and girls, that concludes our writing activity. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to draw a little picture here at the bottom of my writing because I always love to accompany my writing with pictures of my ideas. Maybe I'll draw the earth. Up here. And the moon. And maybe some stars. There we go. There's my picture of outer space. Oh, I can't forget. I have to draw myself as an astronaut because I said that's what I wanted to be. There I am in my little astronaut outfit. I'm super happy to be in outer space. All right, boys and girls, that concludes our activity. I look forward to hopefully seeing some of your writing and your pictures regarding the video of space. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon.